What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a stupid simple mod that I took way too long to do on my truck. This is honestly one of the first mods that I probably should have done because of how easy it is, but better late than never. We're going to go ahead and get right into this install. So one mod that I have neglected to do to my truck is replacing these ugly chrome side markers, these little blinker guys here. I don't know why it's taken me so long to replace these, because I absolutely hate chrome on the exterior of my truck. Pretty sure I've removed every other piece of chrome on the truck besides this, which has always bothered me a little bit, but for whatever reason I've just never ended up buying the replacements for them until today. So as you guys have probably guessed by now, today I'm going to be replacing these ugly chrome side markers with those nice smoked out side markers. Alright, so these are the smoked out side markers from YotaVerse, which is formerly Toyota Pro Shop. They are who I actually got my TRD Pro Grill from, and now I got these side markers from them as well. So this should be a pretty straightforward, pretty simple install. So let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, so the first step here is pretty fun. We need to rip off this body colored cap on the top of the mirror. And to do that, we're just gonna dig our fingers in here and try to rip it up without breaking it, hopefully. So we'll go ahead and get started on that. Sounded crunchy, but I think we're good. No broken tabs there. So that was super easy. So the next step is to take these little wires here that are behind this little hook and try to kind of get them out from that hook. And now that that's done, we can go ahead and unscrew the plastic piece containing the actual side marker. All right, so as you can see here, we got two screws on this plastic piece, which is holding on the marker. I'm gonna go ahead and unscrew these. It's just a simple Phillips head. You should probably just hand unscrew these, but I'm a little lazy, so I'm gonna go ahead and use a drill. So after taking those screws out, the last step here before ripping out the light is to loosen this little clip here for the plastic piece. So you just gotta pinch and push it through. Alright, so as you can see, that loosened up the light pretty good. So now we can actually go ahead and take out the light. And then on the back here, you just have this one little clip for the plug to the light. So you just push in and rip that out. And then obviously your new one's gonna have the same exact connector. Already looks a lot better. So just plug that back in. And then go ahead and return the side marker to the mirror. Alright, and then at this point you obviously just follow the steps in reverse, so putting this little clip back through, and then we got the two screws. Don't over tighten those. And then just the wires back on this little loopy boy. And then finally we can put the cap back on. Alright guys, so as you can see, these look a lot better. The sequential turn signal looks awesome on the truck. It really adds a nice touch being sequential. And if I go ahead and turn them off, you can see that they just look better overall on the truck. They don't stick out as much with that nasty chrome. And if you have a darker truck like I do with the MGM or like a black truck or something, I would definitely recommend doing this to go with the more stealthy look on your truck and not have that eyesore sticking out with the chrome. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Like I said, super quick, super easy mod. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you haven't already, make sure to smash that like button. Hit the subscribe button as well if you aren't subscribed. And if you are, thanks for watching the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.